What are you talking about? Ew, just spit up there. Swallow that back down. Can't waste that poopy juice. Yeah. What you doing? Look at this. What is all that? The drool. Yeah, you drooling. Yeah. What was that? What was that? Oh, goodness sakes. Hmm. 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 What's he talking about? Mommy can't understand you. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? Are you sticking your tongue out? I don't think you realize that you can stick it all the way out now, huh? Just give it a time. What you sucking on that middle finger for? Yeah. Are we gonna go see Dr. Dana? Yeah. You gonna go hang out with her for an hour? Yeah. Yeah. You just digging around in there, huh? That's yuck. Yeah, that's yuck. Look at that nasty, drooly hand. Say, Mommy, my hand's not nasty. So this cloth diaper and these amazing baby legs. Matt's daddy. Yeah. Can you say Krogan out? How's that earring, kids? Can you say Krogan out? That's Krogan out.